mwanadamu. If it's today unaamka kupageko, nobody can stop the reggae. Kalenda ya Mungu sio kama ya mwanadamu. If it's today unaamka kupageko, nobody can stop the reggae. Walionidharau watanisalimia kwa heshima, saluti afande. Walionidharau watanisalimia kwa heshima, saluti afande. Sikufi moyo ijapokuwa saa zingine ni ngumu, sikati tamaa bado, naweka imani bado nitafika. Kalenda ya Mungu sio kama ya mwanadamu. If it's today unaamka kupageko, nobody can stop the reggae. Kalenda ya Mungu sio kama ya mwanadamu. If it's today unaamka kupageko, nobody can stop the reggae. Walionidharau watanisalimia kwa heshima, saluti afande. Walionidharau watanisalimia kwa heshima, saluti afande. Sikufi moyo ijapokuwa saa zingine ni ngumu, sikati tamaa bado, naweka imani bado nitafika. Mtetezi wangu Yesu anaishi, hata uniseme mangapi, bado nasonga, sisikii kama meja mimi sikii. Kalenda ya Mungu sio kama ya mwanadamu. If it's today unaamka kupageko, nobody can stop the reggae. Walionidharau watanisalimia kwa heshima, saluti afande. Walionidharau watanisalimia kwa heshima, saluti afande. Mtetezi wangu Yesu anaishi, hata uniseme mangapi, bado nasonga, sisikii kama meja mimi sikii. Walionidharau watanisalimia kwa heshima, saluti afande.
Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be cleaning the house. We are just taking a small break from the norm. So this is the place that I want to start with. And honestly, if music is not part of your therapeutic regimens, I don't know what you do for therapy. But for me, music, driving, dancing, walking, nature, water, yeah, those are mostly my therapy regimens. Anyway, as I said, I want to clear out this shoe area of ours because it is such a mess. And the reason why I am clearing it out is ... I will share later. But I realized that we have so many shoes. Honestly, as a family of 6, even if you each had 2 pairs of shoes, that is already how many? Do the math. But we have so many shoes, and I was just like, what are we doing with all these shoes? Some of them we wear so often, some of them are still new, not like new, like you can see they're not as worn out as others. And I'm just like, why do we have all these shoes? Why do we have all these shoes if people are not wearing them? You can basically survive with 1 pair of shoes. But I guess it's just that feeling of I have options. When I want to wear these, I can wear these shoes. Yeah, but the kids, generally, they just wear Crocs, especially the big girls. They're not even wearing their shoes. And then indoor, when they're in the house, they just wear indoor shoes. And that's that. So why do we have all these shoes? A whole carton of shoes. Anyway, we are going to sort them out and declutter. Whatever we are wearing, we will keep. Whatever we are not wearing, we are going to give away because it's too much. It's a lot. So I'm also going to be taking away, pulling apart this shoe rack. Then We are going to clean out this place. I also have a lot of laundry that I need to catch up on, and I'm also going to be clearing out the laundry place in the bathrooms as well. Welcome to the video, welcome to the vlog. I hope you're going to enjoy. If you're new here, this is my life, mom life vlogs, and just what I do on a day-to-day basis as a mom of 4 running a family of 6.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
It is now that I am realizing that I have accumulated so much junk, too much junk, and it is starting to get into my headspace and messing up with my mind. This is a very good time for me to clear out everything. I don't know if I should call this spring cleaning or spring clearing out, but decluttering is becoming therapeutic. Like anything I am seeing that I have not used or do not use, or just something that I see is boring me, like itanibo too, and it is just around there lying around, I am throwing it away and not even thinking twice about it. Anything that is not making my life easy, anything that is just taking up space for nothing, I am just getting rid of it. Anything that is irritating me, like I feel like it is time for me to just let go of things and stop. It's not really hoarding, but stop holding onto things and thinking, you know how you can get something and then you're just like, okay, this one I can repurpose, this one I can use it for ABCD. Like that thing that I have just thrown into the dustbin, it used to be like a utensils. It came with the utensils rack in the kitchen, but then now I was not using it for spoons because I had something different for spoons. So I repurposed it and brought it to the bathroom for it to be a toothbrush holder. But then right now I'm just like, okay, so what is it doing here? Why do I even need it? So I've just thrown it. I'm just like, detachment. And honestly, the more I get rid of things, the more I am feeling more at peace because I am feeling relieved. It's like letting go of lots of junk.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong and bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow.
It is almost 10:30 p.m. I had to take a break from cleaning and decluttering because we had to celebrate my husband's birthday, and it is obviously that time of the year. We always start our year with his birthday, so we had to celebrate him. We left in the rain. We were going to find a tiramisu cake because that's what we always love having on birthdays. I think it's the only cake that is like in between extremely sweet and just there katikati. So we didn't find it. The line was so long at the bakery that we normally go to, so we just went to the supermarket and we got an ice cream cake, which was a first for us, even though it was so cold. It was just a one-time thing, so we were just treating ourselves once a year is not bad, and just to celebrate our daddy was not a bad thing. So happy birthday, babe, and hope you have a great year, and may all your dreams and wishes and prayers come to life, and may God continue lighting your path. So now I am cleaning the dishes, cleaning the kitchen because I have so much stuff that I need to do. I also have laundry that I need to put away, and today I've just been doing loads and loads of laundry. I am catching up on my laundry. I am so behind. Doing laundry for 6 people is just not easy. In fact, in short, running a household of 6 people is not easy because everything that you're doing is times 6. Every single thing, cups times 6, plates times 6, clothes. If it's t-shirts, 6, sweaters, 6. So by the time you're calculating everything, it is so much stuff to do. But we just take it a day at a time and take it as it comes. What I will tell any mom out there, do not stress yourself, do not break your back. That is something that I'm always telling myself, because otherwise you can be standing for the whole day doing things, doing chores, and you even forget about yourself, and you forget that you're also a human being running on blood and not on fumes. So always make sure that you're taking your rest and don't strain yourself as much as possible. So let me finish cleaning up the dishes, and then I will fold away the laundry and put another load to dry, and then I will deal with that later when I have the energy to do that. But for now, I need to finish this and then go and sleep.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah.
So I'm done with the laundry that I was working on, and I've just put on another laundry. So what I do when I need to catch up on my laundry is when we are about to sleep, I'll put a load and have it wash while we are sleeping. And then in the morning when I get up, the first thing I do is go to the washing machine and put the clothes in the dryer so that they are drying. And then by the time my morning is done, the clothes have already dried and I can put them away. So that is how we are playing catch up, and I am done for the night. My chores are done. The kitchen is clean, dining area is clean, and the laundry is getting somewhere. So I'm just going to put away this cake and then we will sleep. And I guess that will be it for this video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for being here. Baraka tele.